In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy credits on IMVU. If you're new to IMVU or you just need a quick refresher, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. Credits are used for things like shopping for items, unlocking content, and customizing your experience, so knowing how to purchase them properly can save you time and confusion. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for the IMVU website. Make sure you're going to the official site so you can safely access your account and the credit store. Once the page loads, look for the option to sign in if you aren't already logged in. If IMVU prompts you to log in, go ahead and enter your account details to access your profile. This is important because credits need to be added to the correct account. If you're already signed in, you can simply continue to the next part. Just take a moment to confirm that you're on the right account before making any purchase. Next, you'll need to open the credits purchase area. One common way to do this is by clicking the Buy Credits option, which is typically located toward the bottom left of the screen. If you don't immediately see it, there's another easy way to get there. You can try purchasing a locked blueprint or another item that requires credits. And IMVU will usually prompt you with the credit store automatically. This can be helpful if you're already browsing and want to buy just enough credits for a specific item. Once the credit store appears, take a look at the available credit packages and choose the one that best fits your needs. IMVU often offers different bundle sizes, so it's worth checking how many credits are included in each option. You may also see the choice to subscribe to VIP. That option can be useful if you plan to use IMVU regularly, since it typically includes a monthly credit allowance along with any additional membership benefits offered by the platform. After selecting your package or VIP option, choose your preferred payment method. IMVU commonly supports credit or debit cards, PayPal, and IMVU prepaid gift cards. Pick the method that's most convenient for you, then follow the checkout instructions carefully to complete the purchase. Before submitting payment, it's always a good idea to review the total and make sure everything looks correct. Once checkout is finished, your credits should be added to your account and you'll be ready to continue shopping or unlocking content on IMVU. And that's it. That's how to buy credits on IMVU.